let's start with this little girl. And so basically when I'm looking at this, I don't want to draw the hand because otherwise the face is too small. So I just, think of drawing over here. And I just map it out. I noticed this part is 2 times that. That's the first thing I noticed. Okay, I measured, so I made this like 2 times of that, right? So I basically just drew a shape and just map it out. Like that's the face, that's the, hair, that's the hat. I'm going to change a lot, but that's somewhere I'm going to place it, right? The composition, where this girl going to be on the picture. And after that, I start thinking drawing the eye. Then I noticed the eye is very close to the hat, right? Then there's nose and this lip. Those are all very general because you will see later on I'm going to change it. So after that is I'm going to place the eye and nose and lips there. You can see it's just very general shape. I'm going to change it later, you will tell. And when you're drawing the eye, see, got to be, because in the beginning, you just want to try, like, where you're going to put, like, a shape. So don't draw too dark, okay? You can see, like, I always draw very light. And right now, see how many lines in there, right? That line is like, I was, like, constantly trying to make the right place and the right shape. So I basically tried a lot, okay? So you do that too. You do that with very loose and light lines. Don't draw it too dark. Okay, after that, here, I kind of, made that, the place right, the shape right. Now I'm going to kind of darken it, right? Darken it. But still not too dark. You can tell I'm like more like shading like this, rather a line like that. All right. And find that. Then next step, I'm shading a little bit on the nose, the shadow on the nose. That's how, see the shadow part? That's the shape of the shadow, but very, very light, okay? Don't draw it too dark. That's the shadow of the nose. Then this is the side of the nose. Wait, going that part, that. So after I draw this, do you see the mouth is a little weird? So later on, I totally erased the mouth and changed it. And I'll show you later. So see, that's when I changed the mouth. The reason I say the mouth wasn't right is like, you see this, let me see if I can, okay. You see that's actually a shape of hair. That's a shape, not to the lips. So that's a shape, right? So my first one, this, see the shape isn't right. So this shape, I think of this one. See that shape? It's kind of too small. It wasn't look like shape like that. So I moved the lips lower. I moved the lower, I moved to here later. So that means like you have to constantly like fixing it. So that's how I fix the lip. I moved it. I think I moved it again. Let's see. Constantly fixing. Okay, after the face, then I start the hat, and you know, a detail about the hat. After that, okay, start shading the eye, and look detail. See, dark, light, dark. You see the eye here? Same, right? Dark, light, dark. It's made by shadow, not by line, right? And after this one, and still shading. Erase the lips again. See, I told you I don't think that lips looks right. So I erased again. I made another lip, redrew it like this. I changed the place. So, and after the lip, I'm going to start shading the hair. Remember hair as a group. See that this like hair goes like here, goes up, goes down. So it's dark, light, dark. See when I shade it, dark, light, dark. Then if you have some line in there, then make it see those kind of group thing. So that's the hair. I'm start shading hair. And now after hair, I'm still shading like the scarf. Keep in mind the scarf is poofy, right? So the line not too stiff, make it more loose. So we make a light, loose, looks more poofy. The texture. Then after that, I start over, and I darken a little bit the eye, I darken a little bit the lip, and start shade a little bit before. I want to show you before the face. See the side of the face all white, right? But look, her side of the face is a little darker, right? So on this step, I darkened it, made a little shadow on side of the face and the eye. Those are little touch. Then I darkened the hair and rest of this and made it the background. And then I went back again. You can tell this one, it was darker than the other one. Everything was darkened. I start with the eye and then more like I'm going to put it two together to show you. And wait, I think I need to put this here. Okay. Now, see the two picture, the difference of the two picture. This is way darker than that, right? So I darken what I need to darken. I didn't darken everything. You can compare which part I darkened it, right? I'll put all the picture in the same page to you guys too, so you can actually compare.